Hello everyone! Today I have an ice cream making toy set. Let's see what's inside. First, here's the ice cream maker. We also have a stand for the cones and 4 small cones. There are 5 colors of Play-Doh: blue, white, red, yellow, and green. Plus, we have lots of ice cream making tools. And finally, we have 2 very pretty ice cream molds in pink and yellow. Let's make some ice cream with this toy set. I'll start with a red Play-Doh. It's so soft and smooth. I'm going to use the pink mold to make some ice cream. It looks really strong. Let's put the Play-Doh in the mold. Press it down tight. Add the stick and press the mold. All done. Let's open the mold now. Ooh, a yummy red ice cream. Do you like this ice cream? Let's keep playing. Here we have the yellow, green, and white Play-Doh. I'm going to use the yellow mold to make a 3-color ice cream. This mold is also really strong. First, I'll add the white Play-Doh, then the green, and finally the yellow. Let's add the stick and press the mold. Okay, let's open the mold. Wow, a 3-color ice cream! It looks so yummy. I love it. Now here's the blue Play-Doh. I'm going to make an ice cream with it. Let's add the stick and press the mold. All done. Let's check. Oh, a blue ice cream. It looks so delicious and cool. Who wants this blue ice cream? I'm gonna make one more ice cream. This time, I'll use the purple Play-Doh. Let's see how it turns out. Wow, the purple ice cream looks so nice and smooth. I'm going to decorate it a little. So today, we made 1, 2, 3, 4 ice creams. I hope you like them all. See you next time.